Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain how to solve the given problem. This type of problems are asked in different types of competitive exams and we can solve it within a minute. So let's see. How many numbers between 2000 and 3000 can be formed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7? Repetition of digit not allowed. For this, we know that the first digit the first digit can be only 2. So there is only one way to write the first digit. Now the second digit can be filled in 7 ways. Remaining second digit may be 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So there are 7 digits. Now the third digit can be filled in 6 ways and fourth digit fourth digit can be filled in 5 ways. So we can say that therefore the total ways equal to 1 into 7 into 6 into 5 and this is equal to 210. So our answer is 210. So we can write 210 ways to write the number between 2000 and 3000. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.